I've achieved none of the goals I set out to do, and sometimes I feel disappointed by that. But seeing my daughter pursue her art fills me with more pride than I ever would have felt achieving that dream for myself.
Ah! Oh.
Like with those freaks over there in Loser Town, huh?
Freaks? They're not freaks, they're people, just like you and me. People.
People just like you and me. Oh man, that is what I love about you, Kate. You've got a personality. Ah, that is rich.
You'll find out that she's not your type. She is the love of my life! The blood in my veins! We belong together! Till the mountains fall into the sea, till the heavens collide, or until I get sick of her and need to move on.